Routine tasks like data entry, scheduling, and managing emails can consume valuable time. Microsoft Copilot automates these tasks, allowing you to focus on strategic activities. Imagine starting your day with a clear inbox and an organized schedule, all without lifting a finger. This efficiency boost can transform your daily workflow. Data is crucial for informed decision-making, but analyzing it can be daunting. Microsoft Copilot simplifies this by effortlessly sifting through large data sets and generating comprehensive reports. Whether you need insights into sales trends, customer behavior, or financial performance, Copilot provides actionable data in minutes, empowering you to make smarter business decisions. Quality customer support is vital for business growth. Copilot assists by developing scripts for customer service representatives, editing emails for professionalism, automating responses to common questions, and directing complex issues to the right team member. This results in faster response times and happier customers, enhancing your company's reputation and customer satisfaction. Creating content for emails, presentations, and marketing campaigns can be time-consuming. Copilot drafts emails and blogs, develops creative ad copy, generates sales pitches, and creates social media content, ensuring consistent messaging. Whether crafting a newsletter or a social media post, Copilot keeps content flowing smoothly, saving time and reducing hassle. Microsoft Copilot aids in drafting budget proposals, creating financial summaries, forecasting, organizing invoices, tracking expenses, and generating accurate financial reports. This helps you monitor your finances and make informed decisions based on real-time data. With Copilot, managing your financial health and planning for future growth becomes more manageable. Copilot enhances HR and operations by managing documentation, developing training modules, generating templates for evaluations, and ensuring compliance with regulations. It keeps employee manuals and policy documents up to date and assists in creating educational content. This streamlines HR processes, allowing your team to focus on strategic initiatives. Keeping track of tasks and deadlines can be overwhelming. Copilot integrates with tools like Microsoft Planner and Project to organize tasks, set deadlines, and track progress. This helps projects stay on track and team members remain accountable. By streamlining task and workflow management, you maintain a productive and organized work environment. Contact CD Technology today to see how we can help you get the best out of Microsoft Copilot.